I'm super excited to announce a breakthrough in lifecycle assessments and product carbon footprints. We've released the Devera self-service platform, so now you can get reliable and traceable product carbon footprint in minutes. Look at that. I paste my product URL. You can upload any document in any format. It can be a bill of material, manufacturing processes. Our AI scan your info and get the information. Let's try with this organic cotton t-shirt, for example. We analyze the product. First step is extracting the data from the URL. Then, if there are uploaded documents, he will take and retrieve all the information, organize everything through the different phases of the life cycle assessment. He will search the product category rules to understand all the industry information of the specific product category. He will benchmark everything, so then it can create assumptions for all the missing data. It's powerful. Then it's gonna take all the data points and associate them with the specific emission factor, mainly from Ecoinvent, the gold standard database, but also from DEFRA and other papers if needed. Then it will calculate the full carbon footprint by phases. And finally, on the next steps, it will review the system boundaries, sensitivity, data quality. So finally, it will adapt everything and generate the insights and the recommendations so you can improve your product based on all this data. Finally, the final report. Everything is gonna be ready in only 2 to 3 minutes. Not weeks, not months. So cool. And voila, here the total carbon footprint, 1.22 kilos of carbon emissions. Everything automatically detected, the brand, the model, the category, weight, origin, and so on. The breakdown of the carbon emission by phases, the key insights so you know where you can improve the products, and the full breakdown so it's not a black box. Everything's here, totally auditable, assumptions, emission factors, the different data points in the different phases. Here the packaging, manufacturing, transports, the use phases, and the end of life. Look, all the details here, it's so impressive. Then you can share this report creating a public link or embedding this widget with a PNG or copying this HTML code. You can also download this badge. If you want, you can download the full report in CSV, Excel, or PDF. Look at this beautiful PDF, automatically generated. Here the results, everything's inside, the different phases, all the assumptions. And the feature I love the most, here you can ask everything or even simulate any change in raw material, packaging, manufacturing processes. Let's try, for example, to change from organic cotton to recycled polyester. So now it's analyzing all the results and changing this raw material. So here we have version 2 of the report with the recycled polyester. Let's see, in raw material, we have the new data points with the new emission factors, but let's compare both versions. We compare version 2 with version 1. So we have both versions side by side. We can compare the recycled polyester with the organic cotton and how it impacts the total carbon footprint, not only in raw material, but also in the different phases. For example, it impacts the manufacturing processes. So amazing. In the dashboard section, you get access to all the reports on the different versions. You can check your credit usage and download all your invoices. Doing robust product carbon footprint in minutes is a breakthrough, but getting tens of thousands of products is a revolution. And now you can, with the Devera API, no matter use case, if you're a marketplace or a large retailer, we can handle high volume. It's well documented, easy to set up. You just input your product data and you'd get the product carbon footprint and the full breakdown automatically. That easy. Stop guessing your impact. Go to Devera right now, paste your product URL, and get your first product carbon footprint for free. I've seen you inside.